god. Look at this guy. He's still eating, but he would just cook anything he sees. Even tries attacking me. Look. Man, focus on the spider, not the leaf. But look at this guy. Absolute menace. My brother, what are you doing? Calm down, he's still a child, you know. Oh my god. Focus on the spider, not the leaf. Look what he dropped it. Three bodies, and he just swaps it together. Look at this guy that I accidentally put it paint on. And now he's cooking a grasshopper. What the fuck is that? Look at this guy. What are you doing? Oh my god, he's like my old praying mantis. Straight on the face he eats. Even rips it apart. Look. Now he's cooking. Bro, what the hell? Check out my dog. What the hell? Oh my god. No way. Here's some water for your food. Dude, let go of my... Let go, you dumb. Goddamn menace. Sorry, again. Look. Eating it. This is the best one I have. Lalaki. I mean boy. Look at this guy, bro. He's just good at eating that gun.